Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to unarchive any story on Instagram if you have accidentally archived it before 24 hours. So just go to the Instagram app. As you can see, this is the official app of Instagram, and just click on your profile icon on the right below corner, and you will go to the profile and just click on these three lines, and you will go into the settings and privacy. So once you're in the settings and privacy, you will see account center, how you use Instagram and who can see your content. So in how to use Instagram section, you will see saved, archive, your activity, notifications and time management. So just click on this option and go to the archive section of your Instagram app, and on here you will be able to see all those archive videos and stories that you added. So just click on, let's say I select this video, and as you can see, this was my story on Instagram and now it is archived. So just click on these three dots, and once you click on here, just you can save the video or delete story or share as post if you want to share it. And let's say you want to put it back on the story, so just go to this share option, and once you click on this share option below the screen option, so you will be able to put it back on your story, and that is how you can unarchive or delete your story from this section and put it back on the stories. So this is a simple and easy process.